XRP is outperforming all cryptos right now. Make sure to watch the end of this video so you know why this is happening and why your XRP is outperforming everything else. All right, so right now we're back with the same old stuff. The market's down a point. This is what we're going to see, guys. We're going to see swings up, swings down. We saw a swing up in the past day or two, and now we're just getting a little bit of a swing down. This is going to happen. The market's still volatile right now. It's not as bad as it was, but we're still going to take some swings right now, guys. But what I want to point out is this, guys. Let's look at kind of the 24-hour margin, 24-hour kind of area. So we see Bitcoin down a point, Ethereum pushing down to 4 points. And then we see over here that XRP is pushing up to 4 points. Almost the exact opposite of Ethereum. And you're probably wondering the reason behind this, and we're going to get into that in a second. So make sure to wait to see why. But take a look. Just remember this, that everything else is red. Look at all this red, guys. XRP's got a little bit of green. Yes, it may not be where XRP is just pumping completely, but that's not realistic. XRP just can't pump to $4 while Bitcoin goes down to 60 grand. That's not how the crypto market works. It kind of ebbs and flows together, and Bitcoin is the leader of the pack ultimately at the end of the day. But we're going to get into why the XRP is up a little bit and Bitcoin is going down. It's not realistic for XRP to go to $4, like I'm saying, and everything else stay down. But we can see kind of in these small margins, this small area of green that XRP sees. And when the market is in this kind of situation, we can kind of find out why this is happening on a little bit of a smaller scale before it happens on a bigger scale in the future. All right, so let's get into this. Okay, so we see that XRP is $1.52. Bitcoin's at around 69,000. It's down $722 today. Yep, a point. Okay. So these are the top 5 reasons why this is happening. And I'm going to hammer in on one major reason. So 1, dip buying and accumulation after the recent drop. So after the broader crypto market sold off earlier this month, traders bought XRP aggressively on the dip, especially on exchanges like Binance, reducing XRP available on order books and pushing the price higher relative to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So again, it's still the question, why are people kind of aggressively buying XRP and not Bitcoin and Ethereum? Just wait a second. So capital rotation into altcoins. Investors are shifting some money out of big chains like Bitcoin, Ethereum into altcoins, often when big coins lag and XRP is benefiting as a part of this rotation. Still hasn't gotten to the main point. So technical breakouts and trader interest. From a technical standpoint, XRP recently broke above key resistance levels around $1.45, $1.50. That attracts short-term momentum traders and adds to buying pressure. Okay, this is the main reason. Reason 4 why I think and why XRP is outperforming these cryptos right now. Unlike many other altcoins, spot XRP ETFs have seen inflows recently, giving it a distinct source of capital, not directly tied to Bitcoin and Ethereum price moves, a factor some analysts highlight for XRP's relative strength. The main reason, guys, is the institutional demand, the institutional interest, that XRP is a crypto of the future, a crypto of the real world. In the big picture, XRP is being bought heavily right now, more than other cryptos, because people are looking in the future and taking into account that XRP will be in the future in the real world, the institutional world, the retail world, all these type of things, the banking world, all this interesting stuff. This isn't happening with Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's why people aren't aggressively buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. It's because XRP is interesting, and its potential and its ceiling is way higher than Bitcoin and Ethereum and the bigger picture and in the long term. Okay, so the bigger picture drivers today, not today only, but still relevant. So regulatory clarity, we are getting a little bit of clarity. I mean, not clarity, but the sentiment is growing a little bit. The uncertainty it's wearing off a little bit. Obviously, this isn't going to happen tomorrow. Well, the uncertainty just goes down and everyone's like, okay, yeah, I'm going to pour all my money into crypto. But it's happening, guys. It's happening slowly because we don't really have a positive catalyst to kind of speed everything up a lot. So this is how things are going to be for right now. It's going to be volatile. All stuff that we don't really like to see, that we don't want to happen. We want things to be pumping, but right now this is how things are. So after the Ripple SEC cases reduced uncertainty that previously weighed on XRP. So partnerships in real world use cases. This is specific to XRP. So fund tokenization products, institutional interest, guys. This is the biggest thing right here. Are building narrative support. Things are continuing to grow, guys. The momentum is continuing to get bigger. Everything behind the scenes happening right now. It's starting to get bigger, guys. Actually, I think it's right here. I have this tab. Oh, no, maybe not. All right. Well, check out my last video. Oh, no, it's right here. Yep, it's right here. Okay, this is what is happening behind the scenes, and it's happening right now that is just helping XRP specifically. All this stuff, mass adoption is accelerating. Major banks are integrating digital assets, which is mostly XRP getting into here. A pro crypto administration is openly supportive, and real world use cases are expanding globally, specific to XRP again. So this is kind of some of the reasons why XRP is succeeding right now and other cryptos are not. It's because of the potential. It's because of how useful it can be and the utility that it has. It's continuing to build. It's continuing to get bigger. The sentiment is continuing to get higher for what XRP is capable of. So XRP's smaller market cap compared to Bitcoin means capital flows can move its price more dramatically. That's also true, but I think it's the institutional interest is the biggest for sure. Okay. So what is the one main reason? It thinks that capital rotation is. So right now traders are moving money out of Bitcoin and into select altcoins, and XRP is one of the main beneficiaries of that rotation. And that the reason that I've explained in this video that I've been talking about is why that XRP is the main one of the main ones that the money is coming into. So why? Because of strong regulatory clarity plus a recent technical breakout. And yeah, so XRP is catching the capital that's coming out of other things quickly because of this institutional interest, guys. This institutional interest is helping XRP. It may not seem, well, as of right now, XRP isn't going to move to $4, but whenever this continues to grow and grow and grow, eventually, guys, it'll surge. And that's what I think is happening right now, guys. I think that the sentiment is continuing to grow, and I think we see that right now. Obviously, we're not looking at huge margins where XRP is just gapping everything else, but you can see it continuing to build, guys. And that's what I like to see. It's awesome to see that obviously, guys, I'm a long-term bullish holder. I'm going to hold my crypto. I hold it throughout because I believe in crypto. I believe that a year, 2 years down the line, XRP will be at $5 to $10. And I believe that we are in the process of this happening, guys. It seems slow. It may seem like nothing's happening. It seems like everything sucks, but it's happening, guys. It is happening slowly but surely. All right, so that's all I have for you guys right now. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you like what I'm doing, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Your guys' support really does mean a lot. And have a great day, guys. See ya.